Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful Christmas decoration, a star-shaped Santa Claus. It's a simple model, perfect for beginners, and all you need is a single square sheet of paper. In this tutorial, I will be using 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, but you're free to use any size you prefer. Our first step is to fold the paper in half along both diagonals. To do this, bring one corner to the opposite corner. Press the crease firmly and then unfold it. Repeat exactly the same thing with the other diagonal. Rotate the paper to this position and fold the top corner down to the center. Then fold the same corner up After that, take the bottom corner and fold all the way up. Now fold the same corner again, following the next folded layer. Once you finish this step, unfold the top corner and fold it in half. Then fold it in half again. And this is the result you should have. We're going to fold the top part of the paper down to the center, creating two new diagonal creases. Let's fold the right side first. And then the left side. When you're done, unfold the paper. Then fold the top edges down to the diagonal creases you just created. After that, fold both sides again, following those previous creases. Flip the paper over and fold the two top diagonals to the center. Here you'll need a bit more attention. For the next step, open the right side, then close the corner using the existing diagonal line in the middle. Next, bring this closed section up and flatten the paper to create a new diagonal fold at the bottom. As you can see, this last diagonal is a little above the base. Bring this new flap down then take the diagonal edge of this flap and fold it to the crease we just made. Next, bring the whole section up again and repeat the same process on the other side. First, open the paper, then close the corner, bring this closed section up, creating the diagonal fold, bring it down, fold the diagonal edge to the crease we just made, and bring the paper up again. That's it. Now that this part is ready, we're going to fold 2 new diagonal creases here. To do this, first, bring the bottom side to the left, and then to the right. Once you have this, go back to the other side, close the paper in this bottom section. At the same time, close the entire body using the middle crease. Reinforce a little. After pressing everything well, this will be your final result. Your star-shaped Santa Claus is ready! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.